What's up, guys? Fernie J here with a quick trade recap of today's trading day. So, if we're looking at today's trading session, right, we're seeing Dow is at an all-time high, and we are at all-time high markets in general. And last Friday, after Jerome Powell spoke, we had this insane candlestick right here that just bursted through the highs, right? No resistance at all. And that kind of effed us because we shorted that day because I don't know. I think I didn't drink enough water and have enough coffee, but it is what it is. We all make mistakes. We learn and grow from them. So when we're looking at today's trade, right? Today's trading recap. So Monday during the Asian and London session, we had a nice downtrend to the downside. Price recovered greatly, right? And made and touched this high here. Right? This is acting as a very strong area of demand. It went ahead, broke through, got respected, price continuously climbed up, right? And then after and today's trading day, right? So when we're looking at yesterday's trading day, we had an uptrend. This is a 15-minute chart. And then we had a tapping of all-time highs, creating a new area of supply that gets respected. And this is where we entered today for today's trading day. So this is today's high. This was today's low. Where did we finish today? About right in the middle, about right here. So price actually closed today at yesterday's previous day high. So we actually did not move. So right now there's a stalemate in the market. If we look at today, don't mind this candle. Don't mind this candle. This candle is actually the session just opened right now. It's 6 p.m. as I'm recording this video. If we look at this right here, right? We look at this candlestick, Doji. Literally no imbalances between buyers and sellers. Price has maintained an equilibrium point right here. This is the previous day high, this green candlestick. Price went higher, went all the way low, and it recovered nicely today at the close. So what did we do today, guys, as traders and scalpers? So when we're looking at this chart, right, we're looking at the 15-minute chart. We understand that the previous day high, we're going to mark it out here so it's clear for us to see. We're going to understand the previous day high is this, the top of this green candlestick, right? Mark that out before we enter our trade this morning, right? Because our first thing is to mark out the highs and the lows, right? Session high and lows and previous day high and low. That is very important. Remember that. Write that down. You want to mark down your session high and lows and your previous day key levels, right? So now that we understand that, right? And I'm looking at the 15-minute chart, right? And I'm seeing that the London session traded above the previous day high, floated above, and now the Asian session traded above, and the London session is trading, making a down slope, right? And if we're looking at this price chart right now, right, and this is pre-market open, we're looking at this candlestick right here. Okay, now the green candlestick is where I decided that, okay, so when I drop down to my 1-minute chart, which is where I'm going to snipe my entry, and I see this forming, right? So we have a down slope. This is serving as the previous day low or previous day high. So that is the next current key level that price can be headed towards, right? So we're seeing a bit of a choppy market, pre-market, comes up here, respects this zone right here of resistance, supply, whatever you want to call it. And about 5 minutes pre-market, I went ahead and I entered this position right here with the stop above the high, and I targeted just about 45 points, guys. About 45 points, just below this low right here. So it was a quick scalp, about 5 minutes. Yes, you can say, hey, you missed out on all this. I understand that, right? But I can't, I'm not going to predict when the market's going to run with me or not. So my trading plan is very mechanical. I trade very small R because it keeps my win rate extraordinarily high. And I'm not trying to catch these monster trades. I'm trying to catch base hits that are going to add to my personal and prop accounts, which eventually is going to equate to large payouts and scaling of my own account. So that's what we're going for. And that's what we did today. And that's the end of this trading video, this trade breakdown video. If you want to see the live trades that I upload, check me out on Instagram at Fernie J Trades and on TikTok, which is my main platform. That I post a lot of trade psychology videos there. I also upload the live trades there. You can look at the trade recap there and watch it play out live as I'm trading it. I also upload my losses in full transparency. So like, comment, share, subscribe, and make sure that you hit the notification. So whenever I upload, you get a trade recap like this and a breakdown. I upload Monday through Friday, and all my trades are always uploaded to all my other socials. So nice speaking with you guys. See you later.